Hi, this is Neha, a clinical hypnotherapist and psychotherapist. Welcome to another audio meditation from soulmindpower.com to manifest abundance in your life. Please do not listen to this meditation when your mind requires your conscious attention. So let's get started. I would like you to sit comfortably in a chair or perhaps lay on a bed. And I wonder if you could simply close your eyes as you continue to listen to the sound of my voice and the sound of my voice only. That's right. And listening to each word I say makes you even more relaxed. And as you listen to me, I wonder if you could take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose. Hold it for a second. And exhale slowly from your mouth. That's right. Take the second deep breath, taking in the positive energy around you, deep inside, and exhaling all that do not serve any purpose. All those negative thoughts and beliefs that stop you from attracting abundance in your life. Just let go of all that as you exhale. Let's take another deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose and exhale all that does not serve any purpose. That's right. Let's take another deep breath. Inhale and hold it for a second. And breathe out slowly from your mouth. And now let's take the fifth deep breath. And this time, take in all the positive energy from your nose. Hold it for a second. And then release from your mouth. That's great. Relax yourself as you continue to listen to the sound of my voice and the sound of my voice only. And I wonder if you could now take your eyes back towards the back of your head with your eyes closed as I count down from 10 down to 0. So take your eyes back with every count I say. 10, 9, 8, 7, relaxing more and more at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That's right. You continue to listen to the sound of my voice, and I wonder if you could imagine yourself somewhere in lush green valley. It could be a place that you've been before or a place that your mind wants to create now. And your powerful subconscious mind knows it exactly how to imagine that lush green valley. And as you imagine that place, you notice there is a bench right in front of you. And that bench looks so magical attractive, and very comfortable. And I wonder if you could go towards that bench and take a seat. As I count down from 5 down to 0, you will be able to move towards it and take a seat at 0. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Take a seat. That's right. You look around and enjoy the surroundings. Perhaps you listen to the sound of the birds. Perhaps you listen to the sound of the waterfall somewhere in the background. Perhaps it's in the distance and you want to move towards it. The sun is crisp, warm, and loving, pouring its warm rays down on you. You are attracted by the waterfall in the distance. So you get up from the bench and start to move towards the waterfall, slowly and slowly, while appreciating the beautiful nature and the beautiful surroundings. As you continue to move towards it, you also wonder about what is it that you need to be grateful for, and you're grateful for things that you have in your life, and you remember all of that, the things you are grateful for, and what are they? That's right. And you continue to move towards it, remembering all the things you're grateful for. And you find a huge waterfall coming down from a big mountain. Perhaps it looks magical. As you know from within, the waterfall is so healing. It has a silver sheen on it, and it looks like that you've been looking out for this magical waterfall for a long, long time. And you have reached the right place. That's right. It is the waterfall of abundance. And you want to immerse yourself in it. Wash away all the blockages that stop you from attracting the money, prosperity, and abundance in your life. Isn't it? And you move towards it and notice the waterfall falls into a shallow stream of water, and there are big pebbles for you to step on to be able to reach the bottom of the waterfall. And there are 5 big pebbles, and with each step on it, you get closer to becoming abundant. So as I count down from 5 down to 0 with each count, you will step on them and reach right under the waterfall. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That's right. The water is warm, shimmery, and magical. You sit under it and feel the water on your body, your head, your shoulders, your face, your arms, your chest, your torso, your hips, your legs, and your feet. The water is healing, magical, and oh so wonderful. That's right. As you start to receive this abundance, you notice that all the blockages that stop you from attracting abundance simply wash away and float out of your body into the shallow stream of water. That's right. Imagine, visualize the limiting beliefs, the labels that you've put on yourself, the fears and negative thoughts about money, abundance, and prosperity, simply going away, away from you into the shallow stream of water. That's right, because they do not serve any purpose and only stop you from attracting what you deserve, the infinite abundance, prosperity, and money. In a while, all those unwanted thoughts and limiting beliefs will be gone, and I will be quiet for a few moments. Just how you allow this waterfall of abundance to come to you and clear you of all blockages. You allow money to come to you. That's right. You allow money and abundance to reach you easily and effortlessly, just like this waterfall. You have a flow of money in your life, and money is attracted to you because you are so positive and open to receive abundance. You allow it to come to you to be able to use it for your highest good. The unlimited money, wealth, and abundance pour on you just like this waterfall of abundance. The money flows to you because you are open to receive all the good things in life. You continue to remain centered at all times, focused, calm, happy, and positive. That's right. I am now going to leave you here for a few moments so that you enjoy this beautiful state of relaxation. And I am going to count you up from 1 to 5. And at 5, you will be fully awake, feeling abundant, great, positive, and happy. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, further up with 3. All your spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies aligned at 5. Eyes open, wide awake.